this week's edition of Central Indiana's Ask the Insurance Expert. I'm Scott Wenclewicz. This week's question is in particular to your auto policy and when you're purchasing a new vehicle. The question is, when I buy an additional car or replace a car, does my auto policy automatically cover it? Yes, but you need to be aware of certain limitations. Most times people are buying cars after work, 7, 8 o'clock at night during the week, and then the most popular day, which is Saturdays, and obviously our agency is not open then. So they always panic and wonder, do I need to notify my agent, day of, same time, how does that work? So again, there are certain limitations, and I'm going to cover them with you right now. An additional car automatically has the same coverage as the car with the broadest coverage on your policy. So an example, if you have two cars, and one has liability coverage and one has full coverage, the new vehicle will be granted the full coverage. A replacement car automatically has the same coverage as the car it replaces. So if you have two cars, one with full coverage, one with liability only, and you replace the liability only car, the new car is actually only going to have liability coverage. So if you've got one vehicle or two vehicles or three vehicles all with full coverage, you're going to be okay up to a certain point. If you've got liability only on your only vehicle or on the vehicle you're replacing, you're probably going to want to be proactive and call us beforehand so we make sure you have the proper coverage. Be sure to notify us as soon as possible if you've added or replaced a car. Most companies have a certain amount of days. With the ones we represent, it's about 30 days that you can have to notify us where you're automatically covered prior. But again, I always say the next day, or if it's on Saturday, that following Monday, call us with the VIN number, call us with the financing information, if any, if you're replacing a vehicle, along with the value of the new car. Because the other issue that gets involved is the uninsured motorist property damage. Say you have full coverage on your current vehicle and you're getting another vehicle with full coverage, no issue. Well, there could be an issue if the previous vehicle only had uninsured motorists of $10,000 and the new vehicle is now worth $30,000. There's going to be a gap in that coverage. So again, as I always tell my clients, give us the VIN number beforehand. That way we can give you a final and accurate quote. And then if you end up purchasing a car the next morning, it's a matter of uploading the policy and getting you the correct information. Great question, and if we can ever be of help in the car buying process, always let us know. Again, this is Scott Wenclewicz, and look forward to talking with you next week.